Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system, update the GPU driver, and install the latest package from the vendor. Next, open Windows Graphics Settings or your GPU control panel and set the game to use the high-performance GPU. This forces the game process onto the discrete card. Once done, temporarily disable the integrated GPU in Device Manager if necessary to validate changes. Make sure power profile is set to performance. Laptops often default to battery-saving modes that block the discrete GPU. Now focus on the application and driver-level details. Open your GPU control panel, locate the game executable, and explicitly assign it to the discrete GPU. That ensures the driver does not fall back to the iGPU. Then disable in-game overlays and third-party overlays that sometimes block proper GPU usage, and set power management to prefer maximum performance. Also verify the game's own video settings, target the correct GPU, and that your PCIe slot and power connectors are seated and delivering full bandwidth. Finish by validating with monitoring tools. Run Task Manager or MSI Afterburner while launching the game to confirm the discrete GPU shows load. If usage is 0, perform a clean driver reinstall using the reboot in a clean boot state and reset the game's config files. Make sure BIOS settings don't force integrated graphics, enable PEG/PCIe, and set primary GPU accordingly. If problems persist, test the GPU in another PC or check for hardware faults and loose power cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.